Here's a little Pixel launcher design tweak that I thought was novel. It's a tiny thing that hasn't existed on your mobile OS and seems so obvious. So it's a new outline to show you exactly which space an app will occupy. I think you'll appreciate it because your background as a programmer and designer and whatever.
The UX designer?
Yeah, that's right. Did you see how subtle it was? You move the app around and it gives you a little outline of the space that it will occupy before you drop it.
Yeah, that's nice.
See that? Tiny little design tweak, user-minded. I hate that when I'm holding it and like I'm looking for the other app to shift out of the way. Mm-hmm. And then it doesn't and you're not sure where it's going to drop. It's brutal.
Yeah, or when you do it mistakenly and all of them shift.
Yes.
All the icons.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a thing you do every day, but it goes to show you like the level, like how granular the process of developing something like this and the tiny little tweaks and improvements that happen over such long periods of time to get you. And honestly, this clip here just reminded me how much I miss using a Pixel. Just the Pixel launcher and the speed and like I don't know, man. I can't wait for that next Pixel.
Right.
I gotta get off this iPhone real quick.
Yeah.
And get into that Pixel. Maybe I'll do something in the interim. Maybe I'll just go to one of the pre-existing Pixels. I don't know.
Sure.
But anyway, this is Android 12. Tiny little tweak over there.